the holes, and I'm going to give you the measurements as I go along. You'll need 2 cobalt tipped drills, 8mm and 6mm. I actually bought 2 of each, so I had plenty, because there's going to be at least 40 holes you'll have to do with the 8mm one. Right, there are holes along here, so you can count them in the video. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, they're 25mm down from that line there, and there are 6mm holes. That's a 8mm hole, and it is 15mm down from the top, 15mm down the side, center mark there. It's to hold a 12mm support bar going across. Down here, holding a 12mm support bar again, that's in 15mm, and it's up from the base. What have I got it up from the base? 35mm. I could say 40mm down from the top, but anyway. Same again on this side, 40mm from the top. What's it down from the bottom? 35 from the bottom, 15mm in. There's a line of 6mm along here. I've only put 3 in. It's for the angle support for the base. So that's going to be 15mm up from the base. Put 3 in line. Above that, you'll have to put, if you want to, 2 supports that they're for legs that drop down, that will go either side of a collection tray, honey collection tray, when anything drops off. So where do those go? Right, I've set it 40mm in, and I'm assuming that it's going to be 50mm piece of metal or timber, whatever you choose to use. This is 15mm down, and this one is 35mm down. All right. What else? Oh, right at the top. Let's do the one at the top first. This one is again for a support, 12mm support bar. That's 15mm down, 15mm in to the center point, 8mm hole. Below it is a 6mm hole. That's 30mm down, 6mm hole, centered it. This is a 25mm across here, because the other 50mm is where the HDPE goes. Right, at the top of there, we've got 2 holes. That's going to be either side of a channeling that's going to go down the center of the HDP, down through there. The HDP is 25mm thick, and it's by 50mm wide. I've got to cut it yet, so I can't show you that, but I'll show it. That's what it's going to be. Right, 2 holes either side. No, that's 10mm in. 10mm in, 10mm there, so it's, you can see where it is. 10mm down, 10mm in. Drill them. Farther on down, I've got 2 more. That's again for support, but it's also for a spacer to keep separator to keep these apart. And I've got to make that one yet, but I've drilled holes for it. It's 30mm down from that line, still following that line all the way down. That line is 10mm in, 10mm in off there as well. Right, carry this line all the way down through, right to the bottom. It pitches at an angle. I'm going to show the pitch of an angle. Pitches across here like that. That's the HDPE is going to pitch on an angle like that. Now this hole here is supposed to be hold a spring that will be attached to this bit here. That will keep it close in here, so when it separates, to let the top bar through, it's pulled back. The same spring is attached to that one there. It springs across there. That's what these are for, the springs. Making a triangle of springs, so this will separate and be pulled back. Right, where do those go? Okay, so we've got a line going across on this one. So we measure the line up, and that's 10 mil down from that line. Okay? Again, using that 5 mil. There's an angle here, a pitched angle. You can see the angle there. I'm hoping this particular angle will work. It's a guess on my part. The aim is, where's a bit of disc to show you what I'm doing. Right. If I show you something now, an HDPE disc, which I'll have to cut out, and this is just representation at the moment, will be attached to a bar, and we'll come back up here, and when the frame has come through, it'll be thinner on that. So it touches that and pushes it along that line just there. So every time you uncap a frame, as it comes up, it gets pushed to the side. Finding the center of this one here. All right, you've got a line. Carry on the pencil line all the way down through. This pencil line is 10 mil in, going 10 mil in on that, and 70 mil down there. Is 70 mil? Let me get it right. 75 mil, sorry. 75 mil down. That's your center mark there. You then draw a line from that mark to the corner. And along there, that's where that one comes in. And where you've drawn or used that template, marry out the template, marry out the position, and put it in. Okay, so now we've marked where that center line is, and we've made a diagonal line across from that point to that point. This one is 30 mil in. Mark it. So when you drill that one and that one, you put those two to correspond. As I said, that's what I've done. I didn't cover all the holes, I missed some out. Right, this one down here is 15 mil apart. Sorry, 150 mil apart, 15 centimeters apart. If I get it wrong with mil and centimeters, please see what the ruler says and read what the ruler says. Okay, this here, there's a change of angle just here. It's, I got it right. It separates at 125 millimeters. Now, this line, we carry this line all the way down to the bottom. And that goes right to the bottom at that point. Okay, so that's the angle. And you keep this 50 mil apart, and that one goes along to the same position, 50 mil apart. Okay, then you've got these here. These are for the support of the HDPE. So that's 45, that's up 40, sorry. That should be up 40 as well. Yeah, 40, close enough. 40 in both of those. This one here, we're doing it? Yeah, right, okay, that's 5, that's 8. And it's down 10, down 10. That's a better way of doing it. Okay. Right, I think I've covered all the... I did mention about swinging this. The play I've given here for this is actually 10 mil. So that's where the first hole is, and it goes back to the second. It's 10 mil play, which you can see is happening when I'm doing that. So there's a 15 mil mark. So it's a bit further on that. It's 10 mil. It should be. Thank you for watching.